Be ready. Start. To the contrary, clubbing several material facts. One long question has been put to the accused instead of asking separate, specific, and pointed questions on each material and distinct aspect of the matter on the vital aspects incriminating the accused in evidence of the prosecution stop. Instead of single rolled up questions, plurality of separate questions ought to have been put to each of the accused separately, putting distinct incriminating material coming against him to get separate and distinct explanation stop. The statement of the accused are very general, casual, and have mixed up significant with insignificant data and preventing the accused from properly and fully comprehending the import and effect of each material fact and aspect of the prosecution case stop. Having an incriminating content specific grasp of the accused in contradiction to general grasp was required, which could have been feasible only by putting short and specific questions separately of each vital and incriminating aspect of evidence stop. In such rolled up questions, the accused have clearly not been able to put their defense properly stop. In such questions, even the most educated accused would inevitably tend to gloss over the individual parts, and thereby necessary and finer points may be missed, resulting in absence of pointed, proper, and detailed reply to each particular aspect stop. In questions mixed up together, some answer is not possible stop. This is what has happened in this case stop. Examination of the accused generally on the case does not mean putting of the questions of significant and insignificant details generally and casually stop. At times, these questions are having been no foundations in the evidence and have been mindlessly put to the accused stop. There is no certification of these questions having been put to the accused, much less that the accused were made to understand the questions put to them stop. Grave and substantial prejudice has been caused to the accused in the facts of the case in hand, as the vital segments of different aspects incriminating the accused in the evidence have not been distinctly and specifically put to the accused stop. The impugned judgment and order of sentence consequently cannot stand the legal scrutiny stop. There is no option with the court but to remit the case back to the learned lower court under section 366 bracket B bracket small 1I of the CRPC stop. In view of the discussions as above, there being serious illegality having been committed by the learned lower court and great prejudice having been caused to the accused, full stop, over.